In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom Desktop app. First, head to the official Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and type the official address into the address bar, or search for Zoom Download and choose the result from Zoom's own site. Going directly to the official page is important for security, making sure you get the genuine installer and the most up-to-date version that works smoothly with your system. On the website, look for the Download section and choose the Zoom Desktop client. This is the full application for computers, not the mobile app or a browser extension. Selecting the desktop client gives you the complete set of features, including scheduling, screen sharing, and virtual backgrounds, so you get the best meeting experience. Next, download the installer for your operating system. The site will usually detect whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and offer the right file automatically. Windows users typically get an .exe, Mac OS users a .pkg or .dmg, and Linux users .db or .rpm. If your browser asks where to save the file, the default Downloads folder is perfect. If the download doesn't start right away, click the Download button again to kick it off. A quick tip: make sure you have a stable internet connection and a bit of free disk space to avoid interruptions. Once the download is finished, open the installer file. You can click it directly from your browser's download bar or open your Downloads folder and double-click it there. Your system may show a security or permission prompt. This is normal for installers. Choose to allow or run so the installer can proceed. Now, follow the on-screen instructions and click Install. The setup wizard will guide you through simple steps such as reviewing the license agreement and confirming the install location. Most users can stick with the default options. If you're on a work or school computer, you might see an administrator prompt. If that appears, you'll need authorization from your organization to continue. After you click Install, wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar that may take a minute or two, depending on your computer's speed. Avoid closing the installer or restarting your device while this is running. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation message, and the Zoom icon will appear in your applications on Mac OS, the Start menu on Windows, or your App Launcher on Linux. That's all there is to it. By going to the official site, choosing the Zoom Desktop client, downloading the correct installer, opening it, following the prompts, and waiting for it to finish, you've successfully installed the Zoom Desktop app and are ready to use it.